Birds have been pooping all over our boat. They didn't used to ever shit on our boat. We painted the top, now that's all they do. Alright, we got a new Starlink. We'll get it opened up here. Pretty excited. It's the Starlink Mini. They got a pretty good deal on them. We got it for $229 plus 20 shipping and then tax. So it's like, I don't know, it's like $280 some dollars. I think it's $288 maybe. There it is, all dirty. At least, I guess. Thing's tiny. It's just a little bit bigger than a piece of paper. I think someone said it was like 12 inches by 10 inches ish. So, ready to get it set up and see how it goes. This looks like a pole mount adapter. That's neat. Is that a kickstand or is it a pole mount? I'm confused. There's a both. Oh, this just flips up. Oh, okay, cool. I don't have to put this on right now. I think it's got pole mount though. Alright. So, instructions on that. Just got home from work. I was excited, so I had to get this thing out and see what it does. Holy crap. Look at that. I don't read instructions. This would be why. Okay, so I got the kickstand out. I think I'm just going to set up here right now. I got a mount coming for it. It won't be here till next Monday. I'm just going to set up here to test it right now and try to see if it works. So it'll sit. I'll set it there. I'm just going to plug it into our extension cord right now. And then we'll try to see what happens. We got the computer up here now. Let's see, I made the boat rock a little bit. Maybe I stepped a little hard. Let's see. I don't really know what to do first, so let's look and see if there's a app here and just go on there to start with. Alright, so the other camera died, so now I'm back. I'm going to get back to the Starlink real quick and see. I clicked it, it started to do the connecting. I don't know if it has done anything yet, so that's where we're at right now. Let me step over there. You'll probably be able to hear me a little better here, but I can also show what's going on if you can see it. So connect to Starlink. Connect to your Starlink Wi-Fi network and your device's settings and come back. It may take 30 seconds to appear. Okay, so settings, Wi-Fi, Starlink. Oh, and Best Buy is offering TVs for as low as $49.99. The phone told me so. Okay, so it said when I watched a video about it, it said it would come up as an unsecured network at first. Starlink paired successfully. Your device is connected to Starlink. Next, let's get your Starlink connected to the internet and optimize your setup. Weird that you got to connect it to a Wi-Fi to be able to set it up. It seems weird, but I guess there must be a reason. Let's see. Applying settings, it says. So this is the next step. I don't know if we'll use all this or not, but you never know. I gotta get down for a minute because this is hard to do this way. Birds have been pooping all over our boat. They didn't used to ever shit on our boat. We painted the top, now that's all they do. I think it's working. Ping success 100%, last 15 minutes. to configure this device. This is just going to take too long. So anyway, it's hooked up. I am going to try to finish this, and then I'll let you guys know how hard it was, because this is just ridiculous at the moment. I don't think it's that hard, but I don't understand what it's telling me exactly. Maybe I'll have to read that instructions that were 158 pages. Okay.
Okay, so he's got it all set up here. It just has to reboot for an update, and then we can give it a go. Oh, he had to pay the bill to sign us up for it. That's why it needed to reboot.
Alright, so we got our mount for the Starlink. It takes a couple bolts here, and then it just, I don't know actually how it goes on, but it should be pretty easy. Looks like drill a hole for a couple bolts, and that's it. The way it looks. Comes with a little screwdriver or a Allen wrench for these two screws, and then it looks like I just need a 14 for that. Actually, it looks like that's maybe a 13 and a 14, you know, because they're smart. Actually, they are. At least Elon is, I guess. Let's see here. Alright, so we've decided for now we're going to mount it right here on the Dodger. Because, here, let me see here. This is the angle that the Dodger's looking, or that the Starlink's looking. As you can see, it's about the only open area through there. The other part that I had thought about, I thought about right here. But it'll definitely have to be moved then, because whenever we do an arch on this thing, then the solar panels will overhang and block the view. So I think right now we're just going to put it on the Dodger, and then it's just ran off an extension cord at the moment. Whenever we decide where I want to keep it mounted, so right now I'm afraid the wind's going to catch it. I've got it tied and a bungee cord, but we had some pretty high winds the other day and I don't really like it. So we're going to just drill some holes and put it on real quick and let her be for now. So, yes, we're going to do that. I'm going to put that on.
So he got it mounted. You can see the bracket right there. The bolts go all the way through. We don't know if he got it on video or not because the camera was full, but we've really been liking the Starlink so far. The service is great. We're still on the unlimited plan though, so so we'll see how it is whenever we have to pay per gigabyte, but we really like it so far. Be sure to stick around for next week because we're going up the mast and you don't want to miss these epic views. Okay, well, thanks for watching. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
When you saw my dreams are turning real, so unreal. Do you like it better when the ocean's